was nice.
Oh, hi. Are you like me? I know I am. Did you recently spend an obscene amount of money on a brand new firearm and not get your wife anything? Crazy, right? Well, now might be a good time to look at some of her hobbies and interests and maybe get her a gift card or something, just to take the sting out of it a little. If she's into fiber arts, you're in luck. Naughty Fun Yarn in Perry, Michigan has gift cards. If she's not into fiber arts, well, you're on your own, and I hope the couch is comfortable. I know mine is. Naughty Fun Yarns, please stop by. My wife doesn't know about the rifle yet. And these things are hard to reload. Oh, oh hi. I didn't see you there. You startled me.